Beautiful garden. This is our cottage, I'm sorry. 101. Some beautiful white flowers, rarely found. This tree. Come. This nice place. Trees. Sometimes we should be with the nature. And in the nature we found a kind of peace, serenity. See the beauty of the sky, the blue sky and white clouds, lush, green lush. This is heaven, and the beautiful meadow. See around. When you are in such a state, in the middle of trees, meadow, beautiful lush, the sky, the sounds of the birds, flying birds, where we have to observe it in totality without bringing any images about it or words or anything, just observe without any interpretation, no comparison, no description, and see the beautiful blue water ripples, and you see, and you observe unknowingly. In fact, you are also part of this entirety, and only the observational takes place, and there is no observer and observed. There is nothing but one. Everything is one. When all that what mind chatters subside, and you become not you are that already, only you recognize it is that is what you are always knowingly searching for. I don't know if you follow this. The observer is the observed. There is no separation. Separation created by the thoughts. Be in the present and be that. Don't travel through the past and future, and that present is you, and you are entire thing. You are the entire thing. There ends all the searches. Hi, this is Unnikrishnan Manali. Thank you for watching. Yes, the silence. From the silence, every sound comes. From nothingness, everything emerges. We are nothing. In that nothingness, everything emerges. From that emerge everything. This is realization. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hi, this is Unnakrishnan Manari. Thank you for watching.